So this is my program for the extra points in 1 to 7 class. So this is the header, and I declare a constant int size is equals to 5. Now in the main, I write a variable list with the array size, which is 5. I declare it at 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Now the problem states that I should display the array list in descending order. It means that it must display in order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I write a function prototype void print list with a parameter int that accept this list. So in my void print list here, I declare int I, j, and temp. Now see out reverse order. Now for I is equals to 0, I is less than size, which is 5 here, I plus plus. For j is equals to 1, and j is less than size, j plus plus. If list at j, that is 1, list at j is greater than list at j minus 1, temp will be equal to list at j, and list at j will equal to list at j minus 1, and then list j minus 1 will be equals to temp. So that's how we sort in descending order. Now if we display it we will just write another for loop. For I is equals to 0, I less than size, I plus plus, cout list at I, then we will just have to put space here so that it will have better output. So we will call our function definition in our main print list and that accept list. So if we try to run this, it must display in descending order. So it's taking too long, and there it is. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the output that we declare 2, 1, 4, 4, 3, 5, and the reverse order is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it.